Hello guys! Welcome to Yerevan, Armenia. So, andito kami ngayon sa airport and we're having our visa on arrival. So, nagpa-process kami ngayon guys. Magkano ito babayaran?
Siguro
$9? Yan.
Sabihin na natin $10.
So, pag pupunta kayo dito, tapos gusto niyo kumuha ng mas mura-murang taxi, mag-download kayo ng app na Yandex Go. Kasi yung bayad is 2,100. Nasa 35 dirham. Depende kasi kung anong sasakyan yung gagamitin mo. So, yung pinaka-cheapest lang kinuha na. Hi guys! So for today's video, nandito kami ngayon sa Yerevan, Armenia, and check natin kung yung Visa card pwede siyang i-convert into dam na money. Kasi kailangan namin ng dam. Abang nag-try na talaga yung ano ko.
Magkano muna? 10,000 gram?
Magkano yan? 100 dirham mga 5,000 na lang muna. Yes. So, magkano ang 5,000?
Hindi ko dala yung cellphone ko. Basta, sige.
5,000 dirham, magkaano naman? 5,000 dirham is, let's see. Ilan yung nabawas?
Walang nakalagay.
Wala. So, ayan guys. Kasi kanina nung nasa airport kami, yung 100 dirham is 6,000 dirham. So, siguro mga ano yan, nasa 100 dirham. And guys, ito naman yung hotel na nakuha namin or it's a hostel. Ito yung sala namin. And meron siyang separate CR. And there are 2 rooms na nagsishare. Ngayon, yung nakuha naming room is worth around 5,000 pesos for 2 nights and 3 days. Kasi nung may nakuha na talaga kaming hostel, but na-scam kami. When we were here in Yerevan, we were contacting that number and hindi namin madial. Pero satisfied naman kami sa naging kwarto namin ngayon guys, and super cozy. Malapit siya sa market and sa city. And look, tingnan niyo yung mga leaves ng trees guys. Since it's autumn already, nag-change yung mga leaves ng mga puno. And whenever I wake up, sobrang tinitigan ko talaga yung mga puno. So relaxing to watch every morning. Tsaka magkakape ka rin, 'di ba? So it's so nice. I'm really satisfied with the room that we get. Sa labas naman ng hostel namin, guys, may mga doon convenience store, and pag nandito kayo sa Yerevan, ang dami talagang mga coffee shop. I mean, coffee vending machines. And sa mga coffee lovers, sobrang mag-i-enjoy kayo kasi bawat kalye talaga may mga vending machines. And ito naman guys yung Republic Square dito sa Yerevan. And every 9 p.m. ata, there's a singing fountain dito. And so, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung Republic Square, guys. It's super nice here, and ito yung drinking water nila. Tingnan nyo, sobrang lamig. And it's 5 degrees, guys. Tingnan. Ayan, sobrang natutuwa talaga ako dito sa place na to. And kung nakapunta na kayo dito, sobrang ma-miss talaga kayo kasi yung mga coffee shop nila nasa sa underground. Ayan. Yung mga tiyangge-tiyangge. So, ito yung metro station nila, bus station.
Naamoy mo yung
And
incense.
pumunta rin kami dito sa
Konti lang.
Versace, I don't know. So,
trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue, clouds of white, the bright blessed days, the dark sacred nights, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Oh, the colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you.
You must remove your face mask first. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, secure the strap and breathe normally. Dahil ko na